B2B commerce offering is designed for large, complex enterprises with the flexibility to assign unique catalogs, pricing, and discounts to thousands of customers. Business units are the fundamental building block of B2B commerce. A business unit can represent a company or a division within a company. And when I come in to configure a business unit, I'm going to take a look at some of the specific configuration values around how entitlements are set up for that business unit. One of the things we'll see is which stores are linked to this business unit. That information is typically set up by the seller, and the seller is assigning a particular store to a business unit. The store, in turn, controls which product catalog, pricing, discounts, and other information are available to the associates of that business unit. So as a merchant, for example, I could assign multiple stores or change the store configuration if I decide that this business unit should see the large customer store instead of the median customer store, and that might determine that this business unit has access to better pricing or better discounts or a wider product catalog. Let's take a look at all the different values that a store represents. So a store represents inventory supply channels. So a specific inventory may be made available to your large customers that other customers don't have access to. Pricing information. So a large customers might have access to preferential pricing. And product selections. A product selection represents the subset of the master catalog that is available to this customer group. A particular business unit might have access to purchase a wider selection of products or a different selection of products than customers accessing different stores. All of the configuration gives our customers a wide variety of ways that they can assign and entitle different customer groups within their customer base to products, prices, and even discounts, because discounts now can also be assigned to stores. So if I look at discounts, for example, we'll see that I can also assign discounts to a particular store. These are all improvements that we've made over the last year as we see our customers requiring more and more complex business logic to support their very large customer base and being able to assign different entitlements to different customers. Now let's jump over to the storefront to look at some of the improvements we've made to our administrative tooling for the B2B buyers themselves. So I'm logged in here as an admin for a particular company which represent a customer of the manufacturer. So this fictitious company is called Liberty Crane Solutions. You'll see that they have access to the large customers store. And what I'm going to be focusing on here is approval workflows. If I come in here to approval rules, we can see that I have an approval rule set up here for orders over 50K. I'll go ahead and edit that. And come in and control the details of what that condition is. So, for example, cart amount or other details. I can and or multiple conditions together. I have comparison operators. So in this case, we're defining a condition for when the cart amount is over $50,000. And then I can specify an approver hierarchy as well. And this might be a multi-level approval flow. So tier 1, anyone with the role of approver can approve this order. And I could add a second tier for a 2-stage workflow. And I could say in my second tier, it has to be an admin that has to approve this. So in summary, we've made a number of enhancements across the board in supporting large, complex enterprise B2B applications.